Hello students. So now we are back with part 2 of your chapter number 5, that is DRC, Democratic Republic Congo, of class 4th. So in this chapter we have already discussed about its introduction, its climate, vegetation and wildlife. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about natural resources available there, agriculture, type of people who live there and the transport facilities which are available there. So let's see. Now, DRC has rich natural resources. अभी DRC fully forest से covered है तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारी natural resources हमें मिल जाती है. Suppose for example copper, cobalt, gold, uranium and diamonds in southern DRC are found. और southern DRC में हमें क्या मिलता है? Copper, cobalt, gold, uranium and diamonds. It has world's largest deposits of cobalt और cobalt का world's largest deposit हमें कहाँ मिलेगा in DRC. Most of the minerals are exported and most of the minerals are exported from DRC. DRC has one of the best forest resources in Africa और DRC का सबसे ज़्यादा best forest resource available है अफ्रीका में and it covers 48% of the land और वहाँ का जो land है उसका कितना percentage cover करता है ये 48%. What? Forest resources. Water is another important natural resource available there. Water is also an important natural resource. Dams built on the rivers produces electricity और rivers के पास जो dams built हुए हैं वो क्या produce करते हैं? Electricity. Now next is the people who live there. DRC is thinly populated. Okay, most people live in the villages in the highlands along with the river. Most people live in the villages in the highlands along with the river. Most of the people live near the river. Only 30% people live in the city. Out of total population, only 30% people live in the city. Rich people live in the houses and apartments and drive cars. Rich people who live in DRC, they live in houses, apartments and they drive car. But the poor live in crowded and unhealthy condition in slums. But the poor people lives in slum, in unhealthy condition. Villagers live in huts in separate tribes. Villagers live in huts and they form a separate group. And there are almost 200 tribes in the DRC. Look at this picture. Pygmies with their hunting nets. Now what are pygmies? We are going to discuss in our next slide. The most well-known inhabitants of the DRC are the pygmies. जो बहुत अच्छे से जाने माने inhabitants है, जाने माने tribe people है, they are pygmies in DRC. Long ago, pygmies probably lived throughout the DRC. और पहले क्या होता था pygmies जो है वो पूरे DRC में रहते थे, but now they are fewer in number. But now they are not so much. The pygmies are short in height. और pygmies की क्या खास बात है? That they are short in height. They get their food by hunting animals and plants and gathering plant food. They get their food by hunting animals and gathering plant. They live in camps for few weeks and then they move to a new place. और वो लोग क्या करते हैं? कुछ हफ्ते के लिए एक जगह कैंप में रहते हैं और उसके बाद वो नई जगह शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं. They make huts out of branches and leaves, and they make hut from branches and leaves. Look at these pictures. This is a pygmy living in a hut made from branches and leaves. This is a camp of those pygmies. Next is the Baka dance, which is very popular there. Special occasions they wear colorful costumes and they enjoy singing, dancing and telling stories, and the Baka dance is the most well-known dance form there. Next topic we are going to discuss about is agriculture. Now, what kind of agriculture is there? Farming is done in large areas from where forests have been cleared. Now in this area, particular area, farming is done. Crops grown here are cassava, maize and rice, coffee, cocoa, rubber and cotton. These are the specialized crops which grows there. Most of these are exported. So these are the crops which grows there. What are these? Cassava, maize, rice, coffee, cocoa, rubber, and cotton. Next topic is transport. Now, what type of transport facility is available there? Let's see. Rails and road connect cities with each other, but land transport is not so well developed. उस एरिया में क्या है, रेल एंड रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट तो फिर भी अवेलेबल है, बट लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट इज नॉट सो वेल डेवलप्ड. बट जो लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट है, जो रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट है, वो इतना अच्छे से डेवलप नहीं है. वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट इज मेजर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, और वहां पर कौन सा मेजर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है? वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. फ्रॉम विच रिवर? फ्रॉम रिवर कॉन्गो टू अदर रिवर्स. So students, that's all for this chapter. I think you have understood this chapter clearly. Thank you.